Hey creative minds! Today we are turning simple pistachio shells into stunning DIY bracelets you will love to wear or gift. Let's get started. Soak some pistachio shells in water for a couple of hours or leave them soaked overnight. Using a paper hole punch tool, make a hole in each soaked pistachio shell. Now let's make different style bracelets using these shells. Take a bracelet elastic string and start beading in your desired style, using the pierced pistachio shells and some beads. Bead it to the required length and design. Tie it properly and secure it with glue. Our pistachio shell bracelet is ready. Let's try another style. Paint the shells in the colors of your choice. Start beading once they are completely dry. Add some beads in between to make it more beautiful. Repeat the same steps, and another bracelet is ready to adorn your wrists. Here's another colorful style. Create a pattern of your choice and repeat the same steps as before. I made another bracelet in a red and black combo. Doesn't it look cool? And here they are, my handmade pistachio shell bracelets. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more creative crafts.